5 reasons your Audi A4 B8 cranks but won't start in Louisville. Every modern car has a well-functional ignition system for starting the engine. Whenever the start button is pressed, the starter turns on the engine and produces a cranking sound before starting. Thus, the engine needs the right amount of air, fuel, and spark to run on the road. If you found that your Audi A4 B8 engine cranks repeatedly but won't start, then the problem lies with the engine. The following points define the reasons behind your Audi A4 B8 cranks but won't start. Damaged fuel pump. Fuel pump in your car is to pump the fuel from the fuel tank to the fuel injector. If the fuel pump is damaged, it will prevent the fuel flow to the engine and cause starting problems. Blown head gasket. When the engine of your car cranks but doesn't start, then check the head gasket for damages. Blown head gasket in your Audi A4 B8 is causing several other problems such as overheating the engine, producing white smoke from the exhaust, coolant leaks from the exhaust manifold, reducing the engine compression. Bad alternator. Due to the bad alternator, the battery is unable to get enough charge to start the car. Identify the bad alternator in the car by going through the following signs such as dimming headlights, slow crank start, or illuminated check engine light on the dashboard. Broken spark plug wires. Over time, the spark plug wires of the vehicle are degraded and cracked due to age. If you drive a car with bad spark plug wires, it will not produce the spark to ignite the combustion chamber and cause starting issues. Dead battery. Due to the dead battery, the engine of the car cranks, but won't start after long tries. If the battery is weak, then it can restrict the flow of power and dead the battery eventually. Conclusion. When the engine of your Audi A4 B8 cranks but doesn't start, you have to check out the battery fluid levels, other engine parts. If you found your Audi cranks but don't start, then call a professional mechanic for proper diagnosis and repair.